Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi noodles better. Start by rinsing and draining kimchi, then reserve 2 tablespoons of the juice for the sauce. Cook noodles until just tender and shock briefly to keep texture. Warm the sauce gently, then toss noodles and kimchi together over medium heat until everything is glossy and integrated. Finish with a splash of toasted sesame oil and a sprinkle of scallions for brightness. In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi noodles better. Blend soy sauce, rice vinegar, and a touch of sweetener to balance kimchi's acidity and heat. Warm the sauce gently to meld flavors, then judge salt carefully because kimchi and soy add sodium. A final stir of toasted sesame oil rounds the dish and lifts aroma. Taste, adjust spice with gochujang if needed, and finish with sesame seeds for crunch. In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi noodles better. Quick recommendation: if you love prepping sauces and leftovers, consider leak-proof meal prep containers that lock in flavor and prevent spills during transport. They make portioning kimchi and noodles simple, and they keep your fridge tidy between meals. If you want that convenience, check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi noodles better. Choose noodles with chew, like udon, and keep about 1 cup noodle water to adjust sauce thickness. Pan-fry part of your kimchi briefly to caramelize sugars and add smoky depth against fresh kimchi bite. Combine hot noodles and sauce off heat to avoid overcooking, then fold in scallions and toasted seeds. Serve immediately so textures stay lively and satisfying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.